Have you ever wondered what separates a good company from a legendary one? It is not just the product, not the size of the team, not even the budget. It is the speed and precision behind every decision. And at the heart of that decision making, an accounting information system, the invisible engine that powers it all. Hey everyone, welcome back to Project Accounting, where we turn complex accounting systems into competitive advantages you can actually understand. Today, we're diving into six powerful ways a well designed AIS delivers real, measurable value, the kind that saves money, boosts efficiency, and helps leaders make bold moves. But first, let's clear up a big misconception. Value is not just about profit. It is performance, doing more with less. It is precision, knowing, not guessing. And it is peace of mind, knowing the numbers have your back. A great AIS does not just collect transactions and store ledgers. It transforms raw data into real-time insight, helping companies cut waste, make smarter, faster decisions, share knowledge seamlessly, and detect fraud before it snowballs. Let's see how it works, starting with quality. Imagine you're running a food plant. One machine goes slightly off spec. Your AIS picks it up instantly before 10,000 spoiled items get shipped. That's fewer recalls, more trust, and less waste. Companies like Nestle and Unilever use AIS not just to protect their reputation, but to control costs through early detection and tight feedback loops. It is not just about avoiding problems, it is about catching them early and fixing them fast. Enter just-in-time inventory. With AIS tracking stock levels in real time, companies avoid overstocking, understocking, or scrambling at the last minute. No bloated storage costs, no angry customers, just synchronized procurement, production, and logistics. When done right, it feels like magic, but it is really just great systems design. Working at Deloitte, PwC, imagine this. Your team in New York hits a tricky client issue, but the Singapore office solved it last week. Thanks to AIS, you instantly access the fix, the notes, and the expert who handled it. That's not just data, that is institutional intelligence on demand. AIS transforms global firms into learning machines. Zara dominates fast fashion because it is fast. Designs move from sketch to store in weeks, not months, thanks to an AIS that connects designers, suppliers, and logistics in real time. Partners get access to select data, cutting delays and marketing costs. This is supply chain agility, not through luck, but through live data streams. AIS does not just support operations, it protects them. With role based access, audit trails, and automatic alerts, a strong AIS helps catch fraud, prevent errors, and ensure compliance. Remember the COSA framework? AIS automates large parts of it, turning theory into real world protection. It is your company's digital immune system. This is where AIS becomes a true strategic asset. Everyone from CFOs to frontline managers sees the same real time data, sales trends, forecasts, budget variances, exceptions. No more siloed decisions, no more finger pointing, just fast, confident action. AIS becomes the nervous system of your business. Want to see this in action? Look at Toyota, the blueprint for lean manufacturing. When inventory dips, machines flag it. AIS sends alerts. If a defect appears, the system triggers suppliers' updates and reschedules production. Every step is data driven. Every process is automated. Minimal waste, maximum efficiency, and legendary status. AIS is not just technology, it is the thinking system that makes Toyota Toyota. Here's the bottom line. A modern AIS is not just back-end accounting. It is a strategic partner powering finance, ops, logistics, even marketing. So if you want to lead in today's world, don't just learn accounting. Learn how systems deliver strategy. AIS is where numbers meet narrative, and data becomes direction. If this gives you a whole new way to see accounting systems, smash that like button and share it with a classmate or teammate. And tell us in the comments which AIS value driver is most underrated and why. Next up, we're diving into how AI and analytics are turning AIS into predictive powerhouses. So hit that subscribe and turn your learning into leadership, only here on Project Accounting.